Hi guys, and welcome to the next episode of How to Make a Treatment Deck. The product window. What is a product window? The product window is where the storytelling meets advertising. Until now, you've been talking about characters, relationships, the script narrative. Now the client wants to know, okay, great, but how are you going to make the product look great? While the narrative flow builds the emotional and storytelling journey of the film, the product window is the moment where the product itself takes center stage. It is often the point at which the audience pauses, pays attention, and clearly understands the product's functionality and benefit. A product window is a visual representation of what the human eye cannot naturally see. Through the use of graphics, CGI, animation, and motion design, it reveals the science, technology, or mechanism that makes the product effective. It bridges the gap between the product's premise and its actual performance. For products such as sanitary pads, diapers, or hygiene products, the product window can visually demonstrate how liquid is absorbed, distributed, and locked away within the multiple layers, helping the audience understand why this product is safe, reliable, and effective. In the case of Ujala, while the audience can see a garment being brighter after being tested with the product, they cannot see the process taking place within the fabric, right? Hence, the product window allows us to visualize the invisible transformation. Through carefully designed graphics and animations, we can depict how the product interacts with dirt, dullness at the molecular level, helping restore brightness and whiteness to the fabric. A successful product window should not feel disconnected from the film. Instead, it should seamlessly merge from the narrative and maintain the visual language of the campaign. While it serves as an informative purpose, it should remain visually engaging, aesthetically appealing, and easy to understand. The objective is to simplify complex functionality into a clear and memorable visual experience that reinforces the product's key benefits. Ultimately, the product window is where the storytelling meets product education, transforming an invisible process into a compelling visual explanation that builds understanding, trust, and most importantly, recall value. An equally important aspect of developing a product window is the use of references. Many established brands already have existing product window system and visual language that they prefer to retain across all their campaigns. In such cases, the treatment should acknowledge and build upon these existing assets. However, when the brand is open to exploring a fresh approach, it becomes the director's responsibility to present alternative possibilities that still align with the product's core benefit and brand identity. To communicate these possibilities effectively, I believe in researching and curating references from relevant campaigns across categories and markets, including international work that demonstrate innovative approaches to product visualization. Product windows are driven by movement, transformation, particle behavior, fluid dynamics, and animated transitions. Motion references, that is like videos, allow clients to better understand how the graphics will evolve over time, how information will be revealed, and how the product's benefit will be communicated on screen. For this reason, a strong product window section should combine written thought, visual references, and motion references, giving the client a clear understanding of both the concept and its execution. Whenever you're writing a product window section, answer 4 questions. What must stay? Every brand has non-negotiables. For Ujala, demonstration, whiteness reveal, product superiority, they stay. Number 2, what can evolve? In this treatment, cleaner framing, younger energy, modern graphics, faster rhythm. That's evolution. Number 3, how does it fit the film? This is the smartest thing in the treatment. The film is about tradition meeting technology, and the product window follows the exact same idea. Number 4, what should the audience feel? A lot of young directors treat product window like it's a big punishment. They spend 20 pages making beautiful film, narratives, everything. Then anyways, here's the demo. No. The product section should feel like the natural climax of everything that you've been building to. A good product window doesn't interrupt the film, it completes it.